Hey guys, it's Mrs. Dixon. I want to do a quick tutorial with you over Clever to help make it a little bit more user-friendly for you and explain how we're using the resources. First of all, here's your favorite resources tab. You can click through all the tabs and see that we have different links and everything available that the county's provided for us, but we want to personalize this for you to make it easiest for us to use together. So what you want to do is scroll down. You want to find some resources that you will use a lot, and you want to mark them and bring them up to your favorite resources tab. You'll do that by hovering over the icon and filling in the heart. Once it turns red around the heart, you'll know that you have that up in your favorite resources tab. So as we come down, we want to grab iReady. You want to grab Khan Academy. You want to grab your social studies and science curriculum. You want to grab Pearson Realize. Oh, I hovered and I see it's already red, so that's already up there. And you want to definitely grab Myon because you'll be using that for science and reading. All right, so as I come back up, I see I have all of my most used resources up at the top. There's one other section I want to bring your attention to. It's the teacher pages. I'll be posting some links here. This is my week 1 link. As you go through week 1, you'll see an EDSB tutorial. I have that in a couple different places. Then we have the links that you need for reading, science, and social studies placed in here by day. When you go to Myon, you will still have to type in the name of the article, but at least takes you directly to Myon for you. And the YouTube videos that Mrs. Walrath wants you to watch for science are already placed here for you. So you might want to take that week 1 page and move it to the top. You can move it down later and pull week 2 up to the top. All right. Another thing I want to focus on is the teacher pages. I've added an EDSB tutorial here. This is the tutorial that you watch the first time you open EDSB. So I'll be putting some other tutorials there. Let's look at some other teacher pages. I want to definitely give credit to Mrs. Gibbs because she's been very busy doing a lot on her teacher page. I see that she has started off with the Star Spangled Banner, so you guys can start your day in a very normal fashion. That is really cool. Thank you, Mrs. Gibbs. And then I see some YouTube link recommendations, relaxing music for studying. Oh, and Mrs. Gibbs, if you can hear it, my dogs are actually singing right now. Guys, if you think things are difficult for you at home right now, this is what I'm living with. Okay, and their song is over. Sorry about that, everybody. There are extra music opportunities here and music games as well. Apparently my dogs wanted to participate. All right. That is Clever and the most important aspects of it.